Hi, welcome back to Modelworks. This is Rod, and this video we will talk about the current ongoing models, especially the large-scale model projects. But before that, let's start with this 16 inches wooden Apache AH-64, which is on the exterior detailing process. As you can see, these rocket launchers and these missiles will be included in the model. Let's take a closer look onto the model itself. Next is we have the Evektor EV-97 Eurostar, which is done already but needs a little adjustment, like this blue color and should be a metallic one, and the other labels and decals. Going on to our large-scale models, first is this 24 inches 2017 Ford Mustang GT, which we already made a part 1 process video, and go check it out if you haven't. However, right now we are sanding the model and preparing it for its final color, which is silver. Moving on, we have the 60 inches handcrafted Gulfstream G550 that is fresh from the carving stage. What we are doing here is checking the quality of the model, the shape, the size, especially the canopy and the nose of the aircraft. Going to our interior detailer's table, we have this Bombardier Challenger 350 with 48 inches fuselage, and we are currently doing the cabinets for this aircraft. We have another airplane here, but it is a bit different. This is a quarter size of the Boeing 747-800 aircraft with a 6 feet length that will be used as an indoor shelf, and the artist is applying another layer of base coat before the model moves to the airplane markings. The next model we have is another large-scaled aircraft, and we are painting the registration number using a handmade stencil just for this Dassault Falcon 2000, a clear canopy with full interior details and a body length of 36 inches. Before we move on, we will show you how we paint using an airbrush and a stencil. For this certain aircraft, the number is painted with white color and has a dark blue shadow. And my favorite part is when we remove the stencil and check the final product. If you think we are done, we have one special model here. This is the F-18 Super Hornet from the upcoming Top Gun Maverick movie, a 36 inches clear canopy aircraft that will be used as a display for the movie premiere. Yes, you heard it here first. And as of the moment, we are doing the line representations of the ailerons, flaps, elevators, and rudders. And this will be similar with this smaller version. Moving on, we have a model of the Boeing 737-800 with the wingspan of 4 feet. And right now it is finished with the painting process. And if you notice, it's missing some exterior details like the engine fans, antennas, GPS, pitot tube, and others. So that's the Boeing 737-800. Lastly, we have a finished model here, a 2 feet Beechcraft Bonanza G36 with a custom markings just for this aircraft. As you can see, this is a clear canopy model with the custom interior details, and we included even the gas labels and logos. Again, this is a Beechcraft Bonanza G36. So that's it for this video, and I hope you are subscribed to our channel. So stay tuned for the next video. And it's me, Rod. I'll see you on the next one.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast? But you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.